Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save up to 50% of your trading fees on Bitget through the financesolutes.com Backcom rebate program. This is one of the easiest and most transparent ways to trade smarter and boost your profits. The rebate applies directly to your trading fees, regardless of whether you win or lose a trade. Activating Backcom doesn't affect your trade performance, execution speed, pricing, or account security. Everything stays the same, except you get a portion of your fees back automatically. So why should you activate the Bitget Backcom rebate? Because it's literally free money you'd otherwise leave on the table. Every trade generates a small fee, and this system gives you up to half of that back instantly or daily. For long-term or frequent traders, that adds up to a huge difference over time. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to register for the 50% rebate, both for traders who haven't created a Bitget account yet and for those who already have one. If you don't have a Bitget account yet, the process is simple. Click the Bitget registration link provided by financesolutes.com. This ensures your account is linked to the rebate program. On the home page, click Register, enter your email, set a secure password, and complete the sign-up. The referral code will appear automatically. Make sure you enter the correct code to receive your cashback, Digi79. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish registration. Once your account is created, go to your dashboard, click Verify Now, and complete identity verification, KYC, with a valid ID. After approval, deposit funds and start trading. From then on, every trade will automatically earn up to 50% in trading fee rebates through financesolutes.com. No extra steps required. If you already have a Bitget account but aren't receiving rebates yet, you need to close your existing account and open a new one under the financesolutes.com referral link to qualify for the maximum 50% rebate. Withdraw all funds, go to your profile, select your username, scroll down and click Close Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the closure. Then create a new account using the referral link, verify it, deposit funds, and start trading to receive your Backcom rebates automatically. The rebate applies to both spot and futures trading at a maximum rate of 50% of trading fees. Payments are credited daily at 2000 UTC for trades from the previous day, making it one of the most convenient and reliable options for active traders. You don't need to manually request withdrawals or wait for monthly settlements. Everything happens automatically, helping you trade more efficiently and profitably. In summary, financesolutes.com offers Bitget traders an easy and secure way to reduce trading costs through the 50% Backcom rebate program. Whether you're creating a new account or reopening one under the referral link, the process is quick, transparent, and effective. Every trade earns daily cashback automatically, boosting long-term profits and improving overall trading efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more updates on trading rebates and crypto platforms. Start saving today with Bitget Backcom through financesolutes.com and make every trade work harder for you.